Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the App Store on your Samsung Smart TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to download Hulu or Peacock on your Samsung Smart TV. How do you actually find the App Store? Now, this is the remote for my Samsung Smart TV, and if you click the home button, which is this icon right over here, it looks like a house. Click on that, and then a bunch of apps are going to appear. Now, your visuals might look different from mine, but on practically all Samsung Smart TVs, they're going to have this button right here that says Apps. So it's indicated by an apps. Yours might say My Apps or something like that, but if you click on Apps, this right here is technically Samsung Smart TV's App Store. So with this area that you see right here, you'll be able to browse a bunch of different apps that you can download onto your Samsung Smart TV, such as Apple TV, YouTube TV, Sling TV, Hulu, Paramount Plus, Stars, Shudder, you name it, all the apps are located in here. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find the App Store on your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.